Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. Okay, let's start. Open your Facebook apps. Now tap on three dot icon. Now scroll down. Now click settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now tap on account center. Now scroll down. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Now tap your Facebook account. Now select delete account. Now tap on continue. Now scroll down. Now tap on continue. Now select your contribution region. Now tap on continue. Now tap on continue. Now tap on continue. Enter your password and tap on continue. Hopefully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching.